Hello and welcome again to Lionling Game Dev. So today I was working on Godot again and tutorials but the tutorials are on Godot 3, so I have to convert them to Godot 4. So let me play this Mario game. And as you can see, his color changes to blue. This is because I was trying to test changing sprite resources. And today I learned about tile maps. These bricks that Mario is jumping on them are actually tile maps. The collisions are really nice in Godot actually, and as you can see I'm clamping the falling, so he falls down slowly, and soon I will try to start resuming my remaking that Jurassic Park game that I used to upload on my YouTube channel. And I haven't got to 3D part yet, so this is it. I have to start to make tutorials because these are very useful things that I learned and figured out in Godot. I will record and put them upload them on my channel to see if anyone wants to learn them. Here is the paint.net. I was trying to make the tile maps here. Thank you for watching.